We don't put our teamline colors on any old bike. It's a good thing, then, that the brand new Elite C68X SL teamline is far from any old bike. With a completely revised frame that's 15% lighter than the one it replaces, our design team has been putting in the hours to build a marathon-focused cross-country hardtail worthy of wearing our team livery. Starting with our next-generation C68X carbon technology and a blank sheet of paper, they carefully shaved weight where possible while ensuring strength and efficiency weren't sacrificed. So the tapered head tube, carefully profiled down tube and boost 148 rear end ensure that every watt of your pedaling input is transferred to the rear wheel. In the meantime, slim seat stays and a 27.2mm seat post contribute to a ride that's comfortable for extended periods, aided and abetted by the Fox Float factory suspension fork.